Let us start. Hello.
यस सर।
प्राइम नंबर का प्रोग्राम हुआ है क्या आपका बैच को? हेलो हेलो। प्राइम नंबर का प्रोग्राम हुआ है क्या?
यस सर।
झालंय का? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let us move to next point. Let us understand nested for loop. Nested if else सीखा है? Hello. Yes? Hello. So let us try to understand how to use nested for loop. So first of all, let us start with syntax. Syntax of nested for loop. So for in the round bracket, you can mention initialization of looping variable 1. विक्रम जगताप, काय अडचण? हॅलो.
नाही सर, ते चुकून दबले, रिनेम करत होतो.
Here for initialization inside the for loop, initialization of looping variable 1, here I will write, then semicolon, logical condition 1, LC1 I will write, then updation of LP1, looping variable 1. Okay, so after this we are using curly bracket. So this is the body for loop. Okay, outer for loop, and in this for loop one more for loop we can use. This is called as nested for loop. This is the syntax. So same thing I will copy, control insert copy, shift insert paste. So यहाँ पे initialization of looping variable 2 आएगा, logical condition 2 आएगा, updation of looping variable 2 आएगा. looping variable, ठीक है, looping variable 1, looping variable 2. Yes? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let us try to understand. This is the syntax for nested for loop. Nested, meaning of nested already we have seen. In one for loop, another for loop we can use. So this is the outer for loop. Let us call it as a body of outer for loop. Here we can write, okay, body of outer for loop. And this is the body of inner for loop. Inner IFL लिखता हूँ, ठीक है, inner for loop. Okay. हेलो, समझ लगा? हेलो.
यस सर.
परत एकदा दाखवतो, थोडासा वेगळा कलर नाही बरं का. दिस इज द बॉडी, दिस इज द बॉडी फॉर आउटर फॉर लूप, and this is the body for inner for loop. So in one for loop, another for loop we can mention, we can use, and this is called as nested for loop. Let us try to understand what is the use of nested for loop or nesting of looping control statement. There are two usage. यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, ठीक है. For displaying patterns, this is the first use, okay, of nested for loop, and second is to solve problems related to matrix. So if you are dealing with problems related to matrix, so problem related to matrix we can solve with the help of nested for loop. Another use is what? For displaying different patterns. Let us try to understand what is meant by pattern and how we can display by using nested for loop. So before moving towards first application, this is the first application and this is the second application. Second application we will understand in array chapter. जो तीसरा या चौथा चैप्टर रहेगा उसमें हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू सॉल्व है ना प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू मैट्रिक्स बाय यूजिंग नेस्टेड फॉर लूप. So here we will understand first application. So this is the first application where we can display different patterns by using nested for loop. So before moving towards application number 1, let us try to understand how syntax, how actually we can use this syntax and how it will be executed by the machine. So यहाँ पे क्या है देखो है ना, एक for loop जो है उसको हम outer for loop कहेंगे इसको, and this is the inner for loop. So एक for loop के अंदर दूसरा for loop आया है, and such kind of structure we are calling it as nested for loop. Now outer for loop, if carefully, if you'll observe, so here initialization of looping variable 1 is mentioned. So let us consider I is the looping variable which will be looping variable for outer for loop. And if you are using inner for loop, and for this inner for loop, looping variable v2n, that we will consider it as j. So I is the looping variable for outer for loop and j is the looping variable for inner for loop. Okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So next is what? Logical condition 1. Here LC1 लिखा है, logical condition 1. So logical condition we will have to write in the form of in the form of looping variable 1. तो I का यूज करके you will have to write logical appropriate logical condition, and then updation of looping variable means what? Updation of this I again. एक तो आपको I का वैल्यू इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. To increase value of I we are using updation as I plus plus. It depends on logic, and if you want to decrease, so this is also updation part. Either you will have to increase value of looping variable 1 by 1, or you can decrease value of looping variable by 1. Yes, it depends on logic. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for inner for loop, j will be our looping variable, and logical condition 2, when you will be writing logical condition number 2, so at that time you will have to write logical condition in terms of looping variable 2. j का यूज करके आपको लॉजिकल कंडीशन यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड अपडेशन ऑफ लूपिंग वेरिएबल 2 मींस व्हाट? अपडेशन ऑफ लूपिंग वेरिएबल 2, that is our j. Either you can increase value of j by 1 each time, or you can decrease the value of looping variable by 1 and each time. So either you can use j plus plus or j minus minus. So that will be our updation of looping variable 2. काय अडचण? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
हा. आता एक्झिक्युशन कसं होणार आहे ना? लेट अस ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड हाऊ दिस फॉर लूप गेट्स एक्झिक्युटेड बाय द मशीन. तर थोडं अरे 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 काय बघा ते गायब होत आहे. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, एवढं राहू द्या. ठीक. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्झिक्युशन कसं होणार बघा. How nested for loop will be executed? Initialization of looping variable 1. This will be done, and this is the first step. For example, if suppose you are using I is equal to 1, so you can write okay in this way. So this is initialization. सबसे पहले मशीन को ये वैल्यू मिलेगा, i का वैल्यू 1 है बोल के, ठीक है. Then if suppose you are writing logical condition in terms of or by using looping variable 1, so I is less than or equal to 5, this is the logical condition. If this logical condition will remain true, directly control of the computer will jump towards initialization of looping variable 2. And here suppose you are using j is equal to 1, so this value of j will be stored, okay, 1. One value machine will try to store in j variable, and here you can write logical condition number 2, and for example j is less than or equal to 5. So ये logical condition will be tested by the machine. If it will also remain true, then statement number 1 or whatever statements you have written in your inner for loop, all statements will be executed. So after executing all statement, it means after executing looping control statement, inner looping control statement, directly it will jump towards updation of looping variable 2. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
After this updation and updation of looping variable 1, immediately logical condition number 2 will be tested again. If it remains true, again inner for loop will be executed. Again updation of looping variable 2. Again logical condition number 2 will be tested. If it remains true, again body of inner for loop will be executed. Again updation of looping variable 2. Again logical condition 2 will be tested. Now if logical condition 2 will remain false, then it means execution of inner for loop will be stopped and it will go to outer for loop. इथे येणार ते इथं. And here if suppose you have written some statements, these statements will be executed and it will be ending of outer for loop, and after this control of the computer will jump towards updation of looping variable 1. यहाँ पे आएगा. For example, value of I gets increased by 1, so I plus plus होगा. I का value जो initially 1 था वो 2 होगा. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition will remain true for a second time. This is for outer for loop. And once logical condition for outer for loop is remaining true, again it will go to inner for loop. Again initialization of looping variable 2 will be done. Again value of j जो है वो 1 वैल्यू है ऐसा कंसिडर किया जाएगा मशीन के साइड से. अगेन लॉजिकल कंडीशन 2 विल बी टेस्टेड. इफ इट रिमेन्स ट्रू, अगेन बॉडी ऑफ इनर फॉर लूप विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ बॉडी ऑफ इनर फॉर लूप, अगेन इट विल गो टू अपडेशन ऑफ लूपिंग वेरिएबल 2. लॉजिकल कंडीशन 2 विल बी टेस्टेड, and in this way what happens, inner for loop will be executed, and after executing inner for loop, again it will go to updation of looping variable 2. Value of I will be incremented by 1, it will become 3. Again inner for loop will be executed. Again initialization of looping variable 2. So have you understood how statements will be executed, how this nested for loop will be executed? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to understand this with one example, and we will be understanding first application, that is how to display in a different patterns. Suppose this is our first pattern. 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 चुकला आहे. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 किती झाले बघा. 5 लाईन्स झाल्या का बघा. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is first pattern, and let us consider this is first pattern. Now if such kind of pattern you will have to display on the output screen by using nested for loop, then we will have to apply little logic. तो इसमें कैसे होगा देखो है. So number of rows, ही पहिली row झाली, ही दूसरी row, तीसरी row, third row and fourth and fifth. So these are the rows, and we are denoting and we are considering I looping variable, which is outer for loop. This is the looping variable for outer for loop, and this I we are representing for number of rows. And if you will consider, this is the column, first column, second column, third, fourth and fifth. These are the columns, and for columns we are using j looping variable, which is the looping variable for inner for loop. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Once again, I am repeating, I is the looping variable which is for outer for loop, and I looping variable we are representing for number of rows. Similarly, whatever columns we have, for these columns we are representing j, which is the looping variable for inner for loop, and this j variable will help us to represent number of columns. काय अडचण? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now different patterns, let us try to understand. हे पहिला pattern झाला. Such kind of pattern, if you wanted to display, in that case you will have to use nested for loop. Another pattern I am writing, I am typing, okay, I am writing over here. Let us try to understand second pattern. एका रो मध्ये in first row there will be 1 star, in second row there will be 2 stars, in third row there will be 3 stars, in fourth row there will be 4 stars, in the fifth row there will be 5 stars. This is the another pattern. Okay. Hello. This is new pattern. Okay. समजतंय का? अजून
Yes,
पॅटर्न
sir.
बघा ना कसा असू शकेल. In first row there will be 5 stars, 1 2 3 4 5. In second row there will be 4 stars. In third row there will be 3 stars. In fourth row there will be 2 stars. In fifth row there will be 1 star. This is one more pattern. Hello. So 3 patterns we have seen. येतं का लक्षात? पहिल्या रो मध्ये 1 स्टार आहे ना. number of stars are increasing आहे according to the rows, and here number of stars are increasing according to columns. Otherwise, if you will consider in first row we have a maximum number of stars, in next row number of stars are decreased by 1, in further row and number of stars are decreasing again by 1, and in this way at the end in the last row we are getting single star. Yes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Here one more star. In first row I can display 1, in second row I can display 1 2, in third row I can display 1 2 3. So this is the star, and now this is the pattern which is equivalent with this pattern. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next pattern we can use in this way. 1 2 3 4 5. In first row we will have 5 numbers from 1 to 5. In second row we will have numbers from 1, then 2 3 and 4, and one number will be less. Okay. Next row मध्ये काय असणार? Hello. 1 2 3, then 1 2, and in the last row there will be 1. So this pattern is, you can consider, okay, this pattern is equivalent with this pattern. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One more pattern just I am drawing. In this way you can draw different kinds of pattern, and for that for different such patterns you can write, okay, logic, and you can give that task to display such kind of pattern to the machine, where machine will display all such kind of patterns. पुढचा जो पॅटर्न आहे तो थोडासा असा आहे ना. In first row there will be 1 once, in second row there will be 2 and twice, in third row there will be 3 and thrice. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is one more pattern which is equivalent with this pattern. येतं का लक्षात बघा. तसं खाल इकडे सांगा आता कसं असेल. हॅलो. पहिल्या रो मध्ये 1 5 times. Okay. Then in second row 2 4 times. In third row 3 times. In fourth row 4 2 times, and in fifth row 5 once. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So are you understanding how we can have different patterns? आणि ह्या पॅटर्नचा जर विचार केला ना, फॉर दिस पॅटर्न वी कॅन हॅव एन इक्विव्हॅलंट पॅटर्न. थोडासा असा काहीतरी लिहिता येईल का बघा. 1 2 3 4 5 कंट्रोल इन्सर्ट. येस. हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in this way also we can have, okay, for this equivalent pattern here I can draw an कसा असेल 1 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 2 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 3 in third row I will be 3 and 3 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 times in fifth row 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So just I'm trying to display different types of patterns which you can think and you can apply the logic, and all such kind of patterns you can display on the output screen. One more pattern we can have. Now you imagine which pattern? This pattern you can imagine, and for this pattern here I'm drawing some kind of pattern, but little bit imagination is required. See here, first star, and so before this first star, okay, first of all we will draw this pattern. म्हणजे थोडासा असा आहे. कसं बघा ना, 1 2 3 4 चुकला आहे. वरती 2 इथे 3 येणार, इथे 4 येणार, इथे 5. येस, दिस इज द सेम पॅटर्न. Now what we can do, before this first star we can reserve 5 blank spaces. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. In next row we can reserve 4 blank spaces. 1 2 3 4. In third row we can reserve 3 blank spaces. 1 2 3. In fourth row we can reserve 2 blank spaces. 1 2. And in last row we can reserve only 1 blank space. So you'll get such kind of pattern. We are calling this pattern as pyramid. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when you will consider, okay, this structure and this kind of pattern, so you will get, I think, inverted pyramid. You can imagine. Yes. हा जर पॅटर्न कन्सिडर केला, यू विल गेट, ओके, इन्व्हर्टेड पिरॅमिड. ह्याच्या उलटा आहे. म्हणजे कसा, हे समजून घ्या बरं का. हे समजल्यानंतर इट्स व्हेरी इझी टू राईट कोडिंग. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड सच डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ पॅटर्न्स. हे जे आहे हा पॅटर्न कुठला, हा कसं दाखवणार, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 1 2 1. इथे कसं बघा,
1, sir.
1 blank space. व्हेरी गुड. इथे 1 blank space. खालच्या लाईन मध्ये हाऊ मेनी ब्लँक स्पेसेस? 2.
2.
1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Number of blank spaces will have to increase from 1 to 5 and fifth row. In first row we can give 1 blank space. In second row we can give 2 blank spaces. In third row we can give 3 blank spaces. In fourth row we can give 4 blank spaces. And in fifth row, as we have only single star, so before that single star we can give 5 blank spaces. Then you will get pyramid in inverted way. Yes, ulta pyramid कसं म्हणणार बघायला. So have you understood different types of patterns? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us write a program and let us try to understand how different patterns we can display on the output screen. So I can open Turbo C software, and I can share the screen. दिसतंय का? हॅलो, येस.
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे, बघा आता आणि फटाफट बघा. सो अ सी प्रोग्राम टू डिस्प्ले following pattern on the output screen. This is the first pattern. पहिला कुठला? सर ते धड 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 वाजते सर. तुम्ही आत या. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the first pattern where we are displaying 25 stars in 5 rows and 5 columns. बरोबर का? 5 रो आहेत आणि 5 कॉलम आहेत. येस. हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
बघा ना कसं लिहायचं. So you can start with header files as usual. Hash include stdio.h. First header file we have included. Similarly, you can include second header file conio.h. Then void main. Without main function, program will not be executed. CLR SCR to clear the previous output screen, get safe to hold the output screen after execution. So before CLR SCR, we can declare our variables, and between CLR SCR and get safe, we can write our code, and this pattern we will have to display on the output screen. असं लिहायचं नाही printf /n 1 2 3 4 5 आणि ही स्टेटमेंट कंट्रोल इन्सर्ट कॉपी शिफ्ट इन्सर्ट पेस्ट. येतं का लक्षात? हॅलो, असं लिहायचं नाही. हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
printf फंक्शन 5 वेळा लिहायचं नाही. असं लिहिलं तर 0 मार्क मिळणार तिकडे, लक्षात घ्या. You will have to apply logic, and whenever any kind of pattern you are considering at that time, you will have to use nested for loop. पॅटर्न शब्द आला, असले काही पॅटर्न आले, नेस्टेड फॉर लूप वापरल्याशिवाय प्रोग्राम लिहायचा नाही. ओके. Without using nested for loop, you cannot write program to display different patterns on the output screen. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, as we are using nested for loop in this program, we will have to use two looping variables. So these two looping variables I can declare before CLR SCR. I is my first looping variable. This is the looping variable for outer for loop, and J is the second looping variable. This second looping variable will be for inner for loop. काय अडचण? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
For ये outer for loop है. टैब दबा के ये इनर फॉर लूप है. Now for outer for loop, I will, what is the syntax? Initialization, then logical condition and updation. Similarly, initialization of looping variable, logical condition 2 and updation. So first of all, we will have to initialize looping variable 1, which is our IN, and that is for number of rows, and I represents number of rows and J represents number of columns. So here I am writing I is equal to 1. We are starting with initial value of I as 1. Then I is less than or equal to 5. Why 5? Why 5? Because we have how many number of rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to 5. Why 5? Because we are considering pattern of 5 rows. So value of I will have to increase from 1 to 5. Therefore, here I will write I plus plus. Okay. So same kind of logic, same kind of initialization, logical condition and updation you can write for inner for loop. Simply we will use the looping variable J. Yes. So J is the looping variable for inner for loop, and J represents number of columns. So how many columns we have? Hello. In this pattern, how many columns we have? 5.
5.
So this is the first column. This is the first column where value of J will be 1. This is the second column where value of j will be 2. This is the third column where value of j will be 3. This is the fourth column where value of j will be 4. This is the fifth column where value of j will be 5. Similarly, this is the first row where value of I will be 1. This is the second row where value of I will be 2. This is the third row where value of I will be 3. This is the fourth row where value of I will be 4. And this is the fifth row where value of I will be 5. Okay? Hello. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now here printf function we are using and we are displaying single star and एक blank space छोड़ के single star. If I will write in this way, what will happen? Machine will display all stars. See here, inner for loop will be executed and 5 times. Yes? विचार करा. Hello. Inner for loop will be executed 5 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now outer for loop also will be executed for 5 times. Now you will have to consider when value of I will be 1, at that time inner for loop will be executed 5 times. When value of I will become 2, inner for loop will be executed again for 5 times. When value of I will become 3, inner for loop will be executed again for 5 times. So total how many stars will be displayed? Hello?
25.
25. Very good. Now, if we will not be using \n, so all 25 stars machine will display in one row. I am executing this program, you can imagine. Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All 25 stars machine will display in one row. Now I will make some modifications in this existing code. This is the inner for loop, and for displaying different types of patterns after completion of inner for loop and before completing outer for loop, we will have to mention one printf function, and in this printf function you can use \n. So this printf function will help us to display new row of stars to the new line. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This printf function will help us to display new row of stars to the new line. And वो कहाँ पे मेंशन करने का है? आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ इनर फॉर लूप एंड बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग आउटर फॉर लूप, यहाँ पे ही लिखना पड़ेगा वो. Now if I will save this and if I will execute, so you will get that pattern. Hello? Hello? Yes? समजलं काय?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
काय अडचण? समजा इकडे तुम्ही हे वापरलं नाही. I will pass comment and here you will write an \n. काय होईल? All 25 stars machine will display in one column. All 25 stars machine will display in one column. Hello?
yes, sir.
Therefore, you should not supposed to use \n in inner for loop. You should not supposed to use \n in inner for loop. You will have to mention \n in printf function after completion of inner for loop and before completing outer for loop. Then only we will get such kind of pattern. Yes?
Yes,
कळलं का? आता फटाफट बघा आहे ना, आपण विंडो वॉच शिकलेलं आहे. कशा व्हॅल्यूज, सॉरी, कशा व्हॅल्यूज आय आणि जेच्या व्हॅरी होतात ते दाखवतो एकदा. So how many variables we used? 2 variables. First one is I, which is for inner for loop, and second one is j for outer for loop. Now we are executing program and step by step. Each and every time program will be executed from main function. Main function will help us to execute the entire program. Initially undefined symbol I, undefined symbol j, such kind of messages will be displayed in the watch window. I am pressing F7 key. Garbage values will be considered by the machine. Value of I is 844, value of j is 856. These are the garbage values. Alt F5, this is the previous output screen. After pressing F7 key, machine will clear the previous output screen. Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now here what will happen? Our control of the computer is at inner for loop, outer for loop. Value of I is 1. So immediately machine will store value of I as 1 and logical condition will be tested. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true. Therefore, it will go to inner for loop. और ये inner for loop में value of j will be stored. This is the garbage value. It will be replaced and one value will be stored in j. Logical condition will be tested. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true. Therefore, it will go to printf. Again, it will start and executing inner for loop. I am pressing F7 key. Value of j is also 1. Value of I is also 1. And as logical condition 2 and remains true, therefore it will go to printf function and it will display an star on the output screen. Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After pressing F7 key, value of j will be increased by 1. Value of I will remain as it is 1 because we are in first row. I am pressing F7 key. Value of j will become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Again, logical condition remains true for inner for loop. Again, it will display this printf function, and as it is this star and this star also will be displayed in this same row. Yes? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Again, value of j will be increased by 1. It will become 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true. Printf function will be executed for third time and it will display an third star in the same row. Yes? Hello? 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 समजलं का? Hello?
हॅलो सर.
हा?
सर आय ला रो आणि जे ला कॉलम कसं मानलं सर आपण?
आपला अजम्पशन आहे हो ते. येतं का लक्षात बघा. आउटर फॉर लूप इज फॉर आउटर फॉर लूप जे आहे ते त्याच्यासाठी आपण आय वापरले. तुम्ही पी वापरा, क्यू वापरा, काय पण वापरा. आउटर फॉर लूप म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ रोज आहेत लक्षात घ्या. जे लूपिंग व्हेरिएबल आय वापरले ते नंबर ऑफ रो साठी आहे आणि नंबर ऑफ कॉलम साठी जे वापरलेलं आहे आपण इनर फॉर लूप. आपण लिहिताना कसं लिहितो बघा की जर पहिला रो मी कन्सिडर केला तर पहिल्या रो मध्ये पूर्ण मला लिहायचं असेल एक तर तुम्ही असं करा किंवा असं करा. बरोबर? हॅलो?
येस सर.
But in the computer language, in computer, it is not possible for us to display such kind of things. असं नाही दाखवू शकत आपण. पहिल्यांदा पहिला स्टार नंतर दुसरा स्टार. येतं का लक्षात बघा. आपली जी छापण्याची प्रोसेस असते मशीन विल डिस्प्ले पहिल्या रो मध्ये एकदा डिस्प्ले करून झालं की मग सेकंड रो मध्ये जाऊ शकतो आपण. हॅलो? पहिल्या रो मध्ये when you want to move from first column to second column, at that time what will happen? Value of I is remaining constant, but values of j are varying. Therefore, we can represent stars in different columns. And here, if you will observe, value of I is remaining constant. Value of I is 1, and as value of I is 1, it means we are in first row. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Value of j is varying. Value of j is varying from 1 to 5. And as value of j is varying from 1 to 5, therefore, machine is displaying stars in the first row. आता व्हॅल्यू जे ची व्हॅल्यू 4 झाली आहे ना. 4 इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 5. अगेन लॉजिकल कंडिशन रिमेन्स ट्रू. इट विल डिस्प्ले ना फोर्थ स्टार इन द फर्स्ट रो. यू कैन चेक इट. यस? हेलो? Value of j will become 5 and value of j will become 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true for fifth time and it will display again star in the same row. I am pressing F7 key. Sorry. I am pressing F7 key. You can check it. Fifth star will be displayed in the same row. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? Value of j will become 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains false for inner for loop. Therefore, control of the computer will jump towards outer for loop. और outer for loop का last statement जो है ये printf वाला, अभी आप देखोगे तो जो हमारा कर्सर है वो सेम रो में है. Yes, our cursor is in same row on the output screen. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
cursor is in the first row. That cursor we should supposed to bring into the second row. Therefore, this printf function will help us to bring cursor which is in the first row. It will be brought into the second row. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm pressing F7 key. Once I will press F7 key, value of I will be incremented by 1. It will become 2 now. Yes? I ची value 2 झाली. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
2 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true for outer for loop. As logical condition is remaining true for outer for loop, it will jump towards inner for loop. And if you'll check, our cursor जो था है फर्स्ट रो में वो सेकंड रो में आ गया because of printf \n. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again what will happen? Again initialization of looping variable जो j है उसका initialization होगा. वो j का value 1 consider करेगा. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Again logical condition remains true. It will display first star in second row. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Value of j will become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true. It will display a second star in the second row. Again value of j will become 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition remains true. It will display a third star in the second row. Hello. Because value of I is still 2. Hello. Yes. Now only you can observe. Okay, watch window and I will press Alt F5. Here 6. So 5 stars it will display in the second row. Value of j will become 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5. Logical condition is remaining false. Therefore again it will go to an this printf function. Right now our cursor is at the end of second row. We will have to bring it to the new line. Yes. Therefore \n will be executed now. You can check it. Our cursor will go to new line. Again value of I will become 3. As value of I is becoming 3 means you are in third row. Yes. Because I is equal to 3, that is in third row. फर्स्ट रो में I का वैल्यू 1 रहता है, सेकंड रो में I का वैल्यू 2, थर्ड रो में I का वैल्यू 3, फोर्थ रो में I का वैल्यू 4 एंड सो ऑन. Similarly in first column j का वैल्यू 1, in second column j का वैल्यू 2, in third column j का वैल्यू 3, in fourth column j का वैल्यू 4 and in fifth column j का वैल्यू 5. yes, समझ लगा? हेलो. Value of when value of I will become 4, it will jump to fourth row and it will start displaying stars by using this inner for loop. F7 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 Alt F5. Yes. So have you understood how it will be displaying? And at the end getSH will be, because of this getSH function, it will display output screen. समझ लगा? Hello. Yes.
sir.
Now see here and save as 2.c. What I wanted to do, I want to remove these 4 stars. Okay. In first row I want to remove 4 stars. I want to display only 1 star. In second row I want to display 2 stars. In third row I want to display 3 stars. In fourth row I want to display 4 stars. And in fifth row I wanted to display 5 stars. काय अडचण? किंवा
No, sir.
ह्याच्या आधी before this let us try to understand and for same pattern instead of displaying star, if I will display integer value of I, तो क्या दिखाएगा उस pattern? Hello, who will imagine? Instead of star we wanted to display value of I on the output screen. क्या दिखाएगा वो? Please imagine and try to interpret what kind of output we will get on the output screen. स्टार की जगह पे हमको I का वैल्यू दिखाने का है ना. सेम पैटर्न वी आर कंसिडरिंग, जिसमें फर्स्ट रो में 5 स्टार, सेकंड रो में 5 स्टार, थर्ड रो में 5 स्टार, फोर्थ में भी 5 स्टार्स एंड फिफ्थ में भी 5 स्टार्स. सेम काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न वी आर कंसिडरिंग. इंस्टेड ऑफ डिस्प्लेइंग स्टार वी आर डिस्प्लेइंग वैल्यू ऑफ I. तो क्या डिस्प्ले करेगा वो? हेलो.
फर्स्ट रो में 1, सेकंड रो में 2, 5 टाइम्स.
वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट रो में 1 जो है वो 5 टाइम्स आएगा. सेकंड रो में I का वैल्यू वी आर डिस्प्लेइंग एंड एज वैल्यू ऑफ I वी आर डिस्प्लेइंग, वैल्यू ऑफ I चेंजेस रो वाइज. and as we are displaying I, so in first row it will display value of I which is constant. इसलिए वो क्या करेगा, I का वैल्यू जो है फर्स्ट रो में 1 दिखाएगा 5 टाइम्स, सेकेंड रो में I का वैल्यू 2 दिखाएगा 5 टाइम्स, थर्ड रो में वैल्यू ऑफ I विल बी डिस्प्लेड है ना 5 टाइम्स. यस, हेलो, 3 वैल्यू विल बी डिस्प्लेड है ना इन द थर्ड रो है ना 5 टाइम्स, फोर्थ रो में 4 वैल्यू दिखाएगा 5 टाइम्स. In this way, and let us execute this. Yes, hello. Why? Because we are displaying value of I, and value of I remains constant row wise. Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
Save as, let us save as 3.c. Now instead of displaying value of I, let us display value of j. What kind of pattern we will get? Who will imagine now? Instead of this pattern, what kind of pattern will be displayed by the machine if we are displaying value of j instead of I? Hello, hello.
Vice versa, sir.
Vice versa मतलब
कॉलम मध्ये दाखवेल सर.
म्हणजे कसं? फर्स्ट रो मध्ये काय दिसेल? Here value of j we are varying because of this inner for loop 1 पासून 5 पर्यंत आहे. फर्स्ट रो में क्या दिखाई देगा 1 2 3 4 5, सेकेंड रो में क्या दिखाएगा 1 2 3 4 5, थर्ड रो में भी 1 2 3 4 5, फोर्थ रो में भी 1 2 3 4 5, फिफ्थ रो में भी 1 2 3 4 5. यस, हेलो. Because value of j we are varying, we are displaying value of j, and value of j is varying from 1 to 5 because of inner for loop. Yes, hello, 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 hello.
Yes.
समझ लगा ये? Yes, विचार करा बरं का शांत डोक्याने. हे जोपर्यंत समजत नाही तोपर्यंत समजत नाही. वाटायला सोपं वाटतं हे, but it is very difficult. You will have to think a lot how actually it is displaying, what is meant by I, that is row, j means number of columns, and logical conditions, how it will be executed. हे सगळं समजलं पाहिजे. आणि हे समजून घेण्यासाठी you can use है ना F7 key or sorry, कुठं जायचं बघा ना. हाँ, F7 key, trace into, and now in your mobile it is not possible for you to press F7 key. So what you can do, you can go to this run, and here is trace into and this option. By pressing this option you can execute program and step by step. Okay, hello, you can check it out later on. समझ लगा?
Yes, sir.
We will go to next pattern number 4 and 4.c. इसमें क्या करेंगे, हमारा जो पुराना वाला पैटर्न था ना स्टार वाला, दैट वी विल यूज. ये आई जे रिमूव करेंगे, आई को रिमूव करेंगे, जे को भी रिमूव करेंगे, एंड दिस इज आवर सॉरी, अरे अरे ट्रेसिंग लग गया शायद. F7 तो यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, यस, अभी रन करेंगे. यस, this is our first program which we have seen. Yes, hello. Now you think in first row you wanted to display 1 star, in second row you wanted to display 2 stars, in third row you wanted to display 3 stars, in fourth row you wanted to display 4, and in fifth row you want to display 5 stars. तो अभी यहाँ पे देखो है ऐसा कोडिंग लिखा तो क्या हो रहा है कि i का वैल्यू जब 1 है, ये कंडीशन ट्रू होके यहाँ पे जाके ये जो लॉजिकल कंडीशन लिखा है ये 5 टाइम्स एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है. फर्स्ट रो में, अभी ध्यान से सुना है ना, फर्स्ट रो में i का वैल्यू 1 रहता है. तब हमको करना क्या है, हमारा पैटर्न में ये जो इनर फॉर लूप है वो एक बार ही एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए. जब i का वैल्यू 1 रहता है तब इनर फॉर लूप जो है वो एक ही बार एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए. येस,
I equal to J.
नाही विचार करा मी काय सांगतोय ते. येस, हॅलो,
Yes sir.
हाँ. इन सेकेंड इटरेशन जब i का वैल्यू 2 होगा मतलब हमारा जो कर्सर है वो सेकेंड रो में चला जाएगा, तब जाके हमको जो इनर फॉर लूप है वो 2 बार एग्जीक्यूट करना है, 2 टाइम्स. ठीक है. व्हेन i का वैल्यू विल बिकम 3 वी विल हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस इनर फॉर लूप 3 टाइम्स. And to do so, what I will do, instead of writing j is less than or equal to 5, simply I will write j is less than or equal to I. Now you think, for first iteration value of I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 5, it remains true. It will go to j's initialization. Value of j will be considered as 1. 1 is less than or equal to value of I is also 1. Therefore, it will be executing 1 is less than or equal to 1. Logical condition remains true. It will display first star. Again, value of j will be increased by 1. It will become 2, but value of I is still 1. 2 is less than or equal to 1. Logical condition remains false. Therefore, it will display first star in first row. Then it will go to \n. Yes? Hello? Hello? Lot of concentration and lot of focus is required to understand such kind of programs. Yes, पहिल्या रो मध्ये कसं आहे बघा ना, दाखवू आपण F7 फास्ट बघा ना, पहिलं समजलं असेल तर हे समजेल. F7 काहीतरी झालं आहे प्रॉब्लेम, हँग झाला आहे, मशीन हँग झाली बघा. F7 window watch F7 F7 F7. Yes, value of j is 1, value of I is also 1. Logical condition remains true. It will display first star, and directly value of j will become 2, but value of I is 1. 2 is less than or equal to 1. Logical condition remains false. Therefore, it will be displaying only 1 star in first row. Yes? Hello? Hello?
Yes sir.
It will go to \n F7. अभी I का वैल्यू भी 2 हुआ और j का वैल्यू फिर से 1 से 2 होगा. ठीक है, 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 2. Logical condition remains true. It will display an first star in second row. Again, value of j will become 2. Value of I is also 2. So 2 is less than or equal to 2. Logical condition number 2 is remaining true for second time. Therefore, second star will be displayed in the second row. Again, value of j will become 3. Yes? Hello? As value of j is becoming 3, 3 is less than or equal to value of I is 2. Therefore, logical condition number 2 remains false. Therefore, it will go to a third row. Yes? Hello? समझ लगा?
Yes sir.
And in this way, we will get that pattern. I hope you have understood how to display different kinds of patterns on the output screen. अभी थोड़ा सा 1 मिनट लेता हूं मैं, ठीक है? Alt F3. सेम पैटर्न जो है इसके लिए अगर now who will give answer, and instead of star and such kind of pattern we are getting on the output screen. Once again I'm showing and I'm displaying same kind of pattern on the output screen. Yes, pattern लक्षात ठेवा आणि इकडे आहे ना pattern न चेंज करता instead of displaying star let us display value of I. What will be the output? Hello, who will imagine? Hello, this is the output. Pattern is same. Instead of displaying star we are displaying value of I. Hello, hello, सांगा. हॅलो, आय ची व्हॅल्यू दाखवतोय आता. रो मध्ये आय ची व्हॅल्यू सेम राहते. स्टारच्या ऐवजी आय ची व्हॅल्यू दाखवायची स्क्रीन वरती. सांगा मग पहिल्या रो मध्ये किती येणार आय ची
One.
व्हॅल्यू?
1.
दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये स्टारच्या जागेवरती आय ची व्हॅल्यू दाखवतोय. सांगा मग आता पॅटर्न कसा असणार? पहिल्या रो मध्ये
2.
पहिल्या रो मध्ये
1.
1 एकदाच. दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये
1 2.
1 2 कसे येईल? आणि दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये आय हा 2 होतो.
2 2 येईल.
2 2.
तिसऱ्या रो मध्ये आपण आय छापतोय. लक्षात घ्या, आय छापतोय आणि रो मध्ये आय ची व्हॅल्यू सेम राहते. कॉलमच्या व्हॅल्यू चेंज होतात. विचार करा की जरा. म्हणजे पहिल्या रो मध्ये 1, दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये 2 2 वेळा आहे ना, तिसऱ्या रो मध्ये 3 3 वेळा आहे ना, चौथ्या रो मध्ये 4 4 वेळा आहे ना, पाचव्या रो मध्ये 5 5 वेळा. कारण की आय ची व्हॅल्यू ही रो वाईज व्हॅरी होते. येस.
Yes sir.
Yes.
आता विचार करा. ठीक आहे, ह्याला सेव्ह ॲज करू आपण. 6.c instead of I let us display value of j. कसं दिसेल हो सांगा आता. पहिल्या रो मध्ये 1, दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये जे ची
1
ही व्हॅरी होते 1 पासून आय पर्यंत. 1 पासून आय पर्यंत. 1 पासून आय पर्यंत म्हणजे जे ची व्हॅल्यू दाखवतोय आपण. जे ची व्हॅल्यू व्हॅरी होते 1 पासून आय पर्यंत. पहिल्या इटरेशन मध्ये आय पण 1 जे पण 1, त्याच्यामुळे 1 येणार. दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये जे ची व्हॅल्यू व्हॅरी होते आय पासून 2 पर्यंत. का 2 पर्यंत? तर दुसऱ्या रो मध्ये आय 2 असतो. हॅलो, मग काय येणार?
1 2.
1 2
1 2 करेक्ट. तिसऱ्या रो मध्ये
1
1 2 3
1 2 3. चौथ्या रो मध्ये 1 2 3 4. येस. पाचव्या रो मध्ये 1 2 3 4 5. समजलं का? बघा इकडे थांबतोय आपण बरं का. येस. हॅलो.
Yes sir.
ठीक आहे. थँक्यू
Yes.
व्हेरी मच. Thank you very much for attending this session. I hope you have understood how to use a nested for loop. Nested for loop is very very important because when we will be dealing with matrix related problems, nested for loop will help us to solve problems related to matrix. Thank you very much for attending this session.